hey, it's going to be okay, all right? A lot of folks get real stressed. They're thinking about, what do I do? What are the first things I do before buying a home? And I know it can be a lot, all right, but have no fear. Our Home Connect TV experts are here. I am here with Lee Simanoff and Ryan Proffitt, all looking dapper here. And I love the socks over there. Ryan, is that your look?
That's my look. Suit up, show up, follow up.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's make sense of all this without all the headaches, all right? So we'll start with Lee. What are the first things I need to do before buying a home? Because just thinking about it, yeah, it gives me a headache.
Number one thing to do is talk to a local mortgage broker and get pre-qualified. They're going to go through your income, 2 years of income information, 2 months of asset information, and they will pull your credit. They'll take a look at your numbers, see what you can qualify for, how much cash you're going to need to bring to closing, what that monthly payment looks like, and review it with you. Once you're pre-qualified, then you're ready to go out with your local mortgage expert and start looking for homes.
And if the client's a little charged up, you use that soothing voice at all times to keep them calm?
Always, always. It's a stressful time, so we try to help.
Very good. And all right, Ryan, all right, the man. Okay, is now the good time to buy?
Absolutely. It's the number one question we get asked a lot, is now the right time to buy. You know, out in the community all the time, people are looking and watching the news, and we say, yes, now's a good time to buy. I mean, we strongly believe in home ownership, and that's what we do. The majority of the customers we work with are a lot of first-time home buyers or people still relocating to Jacksonville. So it's a great time to buy because you're getting that investment. You're getting a stable monthly payment for your housing, so you don't have to worry about rent changing and stuff like that. And you're starting to create your wealth portfolio. So we strongly believe that this market is great to buy in. Very
good. Some very positive news. That's good. And Lee, what about the interest rates? Because I have a lot of worries about that. Will that deter folks from? Should that deter you from buying?
No, there's a lot of news about interest rates on all the time. We try to focus more on their monthly payment. Besides the rate, there's a lot of factors that go into your monthly payment. You've got how much you borrow, what type of property type it is, taxes, insurance, if you have mortgage insurance, and homeowners association fees. We do strongly believe in the next couple of years rates will come back down as inflation gets under control, and everyone will have the opportunity at that point to refinance. There is a cost to that. They do have to qualify, but it is something that they can look at doing in the future. We like to tell people to take advantage of the real estate market as it is now, and then they can take advantage of interest rates in the future. One thing to consider, though, is definitely when you do lock in a rate, there are options. You can put a little more down to affect your payment. You can do a rate buy down. There's ways to impact that to help you out.
Okay, interesting. So it's doable. Let's talk about that rate buy down, Lee or Ryan. What do you think about that? What does that mean, and how does that help folks?
Yeah, I mean, as Lee mentioned, we can't predict the future, but the forecast and everything saying that rates are possibly going to be coming down in the next couple of years. So there's ways now where you can buy your rate down. There's a 2-1 buy down where you can get the rate 1% lower for the 2% lower for the first year, 1% lower for the second year, and by that time, then there's an opportunity to look at you to refinance and get into that permanent locked-in rate at a lower payment. So there's all kinds of things you can do. What we do is we'll look and see at all the options. I like to say we like to get all the ingredients in the kitchen and see what we're cooking with, and then we can look and say, okay, well, if we buy the rate down here, how much is it going to save you on a monthly payment? And then how long is it going to take you to break even? If that number is going to be less than 2 years when we think that rates are going to go down, then it makes sense for you to do the buy down.
Okay, so it's a win-win. You're going to go through the whole process. Does new construction play a factor as well? Some of the builders as well may help the customer?
Absolutely, yeah. The builders are offering all kinds of incentives. They're doing their own 2-1 buy downs to help you get the rate down. So there's all kinds of incentives. Right now in this market that we're in, it's definitely a buyer's market. Majority of the contracts that we see that are coming across have some type of seller incentives, lender incentives, builder incentives. They're trying to move these homes and sell them.
All right, appreciate it, Ryan and Lee. You're all great information, and good luck to you and everybody. Yes, we can purchase that first home. We know what to do, and if you have any questions, yes, you know where to connect. All right, and speaking of connecting, watch Home Connect TV now on 7 days a week with hundreds of homes for sale on the First Coast.